How to withdraw money from Bybit to bank account. So if you want to withdraw money from Bybit to bank account, then first you have to launch your Bybit mobile application and then you have to log into your account. Once you've successfully logged into your account, tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and over here you're going to see all of the accounts that you have, such as your sports account, your funding account, and everything. So over here, first you need to make sure that you have some fund in your funding account. If you don't have it, then you'll have to tap on the transfer button, and after that you just need to simply have to transfer your funds from your sport wallet to your funding account or from other wallet to your funding account. After that, you have to tap on the coin option. Here you just need to simply select the coin, like enter the amount that you would like to transfer or convert, and then you have to press the confirm button in the bottom. Now once you have some amount in your funding wallet, in order to send it to your bank account, you can use the method of P2P. For that, you need to tap on the more button in the top right of the home page. Then after that, you have to tap on the option of P2P trading. Once you're done, you will be landed to the P2P trading page, where you just need to simply tap on the sell option. Under sell, you'll have to select your currency. If you want, for example, USDT option, then you just need to simply select the USDT option. After that, select the currency as per your country, and after selecting it, you will have to add your payment method. For that, you'll have to open up your add payment method option, and then you have to select your payment method and then tap on confirm, which is on the bottom of your screen. Then you're going to see a bunch of different merchants that are providing bank transfer. So you have to simply select the merchant that is verified on Bybit. You need to make sure that they have maximum order success rate. If they have it about 90%, then you can select the merchant and then tap on the sell button next to their profile, enter the amount that you would like to sell, and in return you will get the money in your bank account. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.